Coach D here, and today we're planning to make one of my favorite snacks. It's a peanut butter, banana, and Nutella sandwich. So my helper today is my son Dylan, and the ingredients we'll need is we got the whole grain, double fiber bread, we got some Skippy peanut butter, and some hazelnut Nutella. So I've already pre-toasted my bread, and we have a semi-ripe banana. So to go ahead and get started, we'll take about maybe a tablespoon of peanut butter, and we're just going to put it on there. Yeah, Dylan? You like that? And there we go. Evenly coat the piece of bread there. Then what I like to do to kind of clean off the knife is go straight to the banana, which I might use just maybe half of it since it's pretty large. What I like to use is leave part of the skin there as kind of a cushion. So I will cut off the tip right there and leave that on the side. And then you want to cut maybe, so it's like a little cross section there. So you cut and the skin comes off and you're just able to lay it right there. It's on the sandwich. Boom. You getting hungry, Dylan? Yeah? Alright, boom. 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 There we go. Almost done. Maybe one more. Boom. Alright. Bless you. Oh. There we go. Let's wipe your nose, little booger guy. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. You're good. Alright. So this is what it looks like. We're going to go straight to the Nutella. Alright. And just a tablespoon of Nutella. Yeah. Alright. There we go. Tablespoon of Nutella. Take both halves here. So you got the Nutella, the peanut butter, and banana on one side. Assemble. And then I always like to cut my sandwiches diagonally. Alright, so that you can see a nice cross section of peanut butter, banana, and Nutella. And thank you for watching Yee Fit. Have a great day. Good job, Dylan.